We are back with another video. Sorry for the crappy intro. I unfortunately didn't make one. And yeah, this video is of me making my own shirt, my own company name with the Cricut. Sorry again. Let's get back to the video. You're gonna have real life me. Here we go. So yeah, one of the things I wanted to do today is make myself a shirt. So yeah. Thanks, Jake. So what we have to do here is we actually have to retrace my logo. Unfortunately, my dumbass didn't make an outline layer prior to when I made my first logo. So I have to retrace everything. Kind of touching it up a little bit better though with these lines, especially with the Clip Studio. Clip Studio has a very clean stroke than the previous app I used to draw the company logo. So yeah, we had to do all this, and yeah, just enjoy the time lapse. You know, just basically just tracing my logo, half-assing everything, getting it done faster because I just want to make the shirt. Because I just don't own. I've never made merch. That's not even merch because I'm not selling it. But yeah. So bam, there's the outline, simple as that. I'm gonna go hit up. Oh, well, but first, sorry, I'm jumping ahead here. I'm using a Carhartt shirt. I like using Carhartt shirts. It's one of my favorite basic shirts to wear. Blank tees. So what I'm doing here is just ripping off the Carhartt tag because we ain't giving Carhartt free promotions. So ripping off the Carhartt tag because I'm gonna put my logo on the titty pocket. So yeah, so usually you just see me stretching out the threads. Be very careful, you don't want to rip it too tight or else you just rip holes inside the titty pocket. So just, you know, just take your time with it. Here I was kind of rushing for some reason. I don't know why I was in a rush. But yeah, I finished that. Shirt's now blank. Completely blank. Can't tell it's Carhartt. It's just a titty pocket shirt. Head over to the computer to readjust my logo. And bam, here is my logo. That's what it looks like. That's the jakesworld Incorporated logo. It's super sick. But now we're going to go to a hat unboxing. Enjoy. Let's unbox it, baby. Unboxing time. Never cut towards yourself, people. It's unsafe. And yeah, don't be dumb like me. Alright. This one is the... I haven't looked at it because I don't know. This one's the Moon Rocks collection by Hatclub. This is the Pittsburgh Pirates with the patch on the side with, unfortunately, a gray UV, but it's still fine. It's still a clean colorway. 7 3/8. They got the right size. People say that they actually sometimes can give you the wrong size. I haven't had that yet. Crossing my fingers, knock on wood. I haven't had that yet, that problem. But boom, look at that patch. That thing's insane. What does it say? This is a 2005 All-Star Game patch. Look how crazy that looks. Let me get the whole... Sheesh. Yeah, look at there's a whole... Give you guys a whole little panorama here. And then that's clean. Super clean, but I didn't know there was an Astros one, which it's the Astros one with the very circle, and it has like the stadium or something inside that circle. It's like their new like logo I've never seen before, but I've only seen it on a couple of hats, and they had it in that logo with this colorway. It looked insane. Unfortunately, I didn't know that was a part of the collection, and I didn't buy that one. So then when I bought this, I wanted to see if I can grab one more before everything sold out. I was looking at it and I saw it. I was gonna grab it, and as soon as I hit check out on Apple Pay, it said sorry, this item sold out. And then I went to the whole collection, everything was gone. That is it. The Moon Rocks collection, Pittsburgh Pirates, super clean. Oh, and here's the MLB guy here in the back. Super clean colorway, really dope. This is fire. Wait, did mine not come with the pin? And it came with the pin. It usually comes with the pin. I have a whole collection, doesn't even matter, but it came with the pin. On to the next Hatclub one. This was the MLB Variety one that dropped of the week of the May 20th week. I don't know what exact date it dropped, but it's just random MLB Variety colorways for teams. And I grabbed one because it was insane. And this one sold out pretty fast too. Oh my gosh. It looks clean. Here we go. We got Marlins. Looking clean. The fish has got an icy blue to it. Why does it have an icy blue? It's got the icy blue UV, baby. This thing is insane. This is a really good pick. Here's a pen. I'm too crazy. But yes, this thing is crazy, dude. Look at the patch. The patch is the Florida Marlins 10th anniversary. insane. It was the icy blue colorway. I thought this was such a clean pickup. So these are the 2 hats we bought. Unfortunately, I didn't attempt no Sugar Shack Collection 2. I didn't see any interest in those, so I didn't pick those up. So I only picked up this one and the Moon Rocks. This is MLB Variety Pack, and then this was the Moon Rocks collection. Insane, icy blue. This is my favorite, I think, out of the 2 I got. Yes, I know the Moon Rocks was a very popular one that sold really fast, but for some reason, this one just looks mean as hell. And I've been wanting the Marlins hat, a good Marlins hat. I was gonna get the Sugar Shack Marlins hat, but that one sold out fast for some weird reason. And here's the MLB guy before I end this clip. Alright, that's gonna be it for my TikTok. TikTok, bye. Thank you. Make sure you hit the follow. And then we'll continue on with the, not vlog, the DIY project that I'd be doing every so often. Thank you guys. Alright, now back to our schedule program. What we're going to do next is put the logo into Cricut. And we're going to adjust the layer to make sure we have it to fit the titty pocket. You know, I had to pre-adjust my measurements, make sure I got everything down right, because I wanted to do it first try. Only thing is just to make sure when you are doing vinyl to press on, to put mirror on, because that is a huge thing. If you don't put mirror on, it won't work because it's gonna be backwards when you put it on your shirt. I did that. That was my mistake. Enjoy a time lapse of me actually putting the Cricut to work and cutting my logo. My logo is a very detailed logo, and I was kind of scared that the Cricut wasn't gonna cut it, and it did it no problem. I mean, it took a while, but it got it done. So then after the Cricut's done, you're going to want to weed everything else. So here's a time lapse of me. This is very basic stuff. You can skip it if you guys want. I just wanted to make a video about it because I was doing it. I was like, let me just make a video. Maybe people are interested in how you make shirts. So yeah, you have to make sure you also, I forgot to say this, make sure you get heat transfer vinyl for your Cricut machines or Cameo machines. That's what I'm using. I'm not using the Cricut brand. I think this is just an off brand that you got off on Amazon for like cheaper than Cricut. So yeah, and you get a lot of it. I'm using a white. Yeah, I'm just waiting while watching wiffle ball tournaments. I don't know. It's just a craze I got into, and I like watching it. So here's the logo, looking so freaking clean. I was actually impressed with the Cricut. I was like, wow, you actually killed this, my guy. So we're gonna head over to the Cricut press, and I have my temperature at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. I don't show it on the screen because I'm stupid, but yes, 315 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I use that to flatten it. You know, it's like an iron, so you just want to make sure everything's no wrinkles, nothing. Make sure it's nice and crisp. Get it ready to go. Gonna adjust the image on where I want it, so it's gonna go on the titty pocket, but I want to see how and where I want to place it on the titty pocket. After you find this perfect spot, you're gonna want to put your parchment paper. That seems to work, or there's other like heat transfer protection paper, I don't know what it's called. And then you're gonna push the timer, and you're just gonna press. You know, just a light press because it's already pretty freaking hot. And I just do that. Boom, let it cool down for a bit. Super excited to peel off, so satisfying. Oh my god. At first I thought it didn't stay, but sorry if I blew into the mic, but this thing's, ugh. I love watching this every single time when I peel it. It's pure crispness. Oh my god. It's too beautiful. Oh my god. So now that the front is done, I actually kind of wanted to do the back. So I'm going to do a really big logo on the back, which is absurd, but I'm going to. So as you can see, I used a whole 12 by 12 size of heat transfer, placed it on the back, and unfortunately, I ran out of storage, so you can't see what it looks like. But in real time, I'm going to show you how the shirt came out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay. We're back with the finishing product of the shirt. Here you go. Here is the logo. Sorry if there's like a stain or something. I was actually wearing it, and I was helping out my dad, and I got a stain on it, but like not like a. I hope it's not a stain that stays in there. I don't think it is, but yeah. Here is the shirt itself. The logo. Get up good. That is on the titty pocket. It actually came out really decent, but guys, the back, the one I didn't get to shoot because I ran out of footage space. It's amazing, dude. It's insane what you can do with a Cricut, man. I'm serious. This is stuff that you can see on a really decent screen print shirt, and it feels like it's screen printed. Why people were talking about vinyl is the next up thing, cheaper to doing instead of screen printing, because you have. I can't go into the whole process of screen printing and why this looks like it's going to be the future, because a lot of people could say, no, it's not the future. I think this personally is for me because I own a machine that cuts vinyl, and I'm having a great time with it. I really am. I'm going to be making more videos of just one-on-one shirts that I'm going to make, one of one. So this is first one of one. Maybe I'll make it into a bunch of them, but who knows if you guys are willing to purchase it. I'm not 100% sure. I've had a couple people already DM me, how can I purchase this shirt? I don't have a way yet because it's one of one. I'm still new to this. But here, that was the front, and here's the back. Oh my gosh, look how clean that back is. The thing is insane. The artwork is insane. The Cricut really cut a really good job. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Even the smaller logo, it really did a good one. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of anime one-on-ones, Jake's World, Inc. One-of-ones. So hope you guys do enjoy the future of what kind of shirts or shorts or whatever I'm gonna bring to you, because doing Cricut press is so fun. I'm not even kidding you guys. If you can find that Cricut press, I think it's cheaper than buying an actual press-on machine from Amazon. You can find a press-on machine for like maybe almost $200, $170, and I think my mom bought that one, the Cricut. I don't know the name of it, honestly. It just presses stuff, Cricut press, whatever. I think she got that for like $120. I'm not 100% sure, but I like it, and I can't see myself not making my own clothes from now on because it's super cool. And yeah, I'm gonna start getting into, you know, actual. Yes. Okay. So Hercules, this is my doggy. I don't know if I've talked to you guys about my dog. He's awesome. He's an awesome little wiener dog. He's a Dachshund. He's a mixed dapple, a light red dapple. He's loads of energy and very loud at anything that walks. The only thing I do regret about this guy is buying him at the wrong time. I literally bought him post-pandemic. I bought him pre-pandemic. So going into it, we actually got Corona, and he never got social experience. So now he's very antisocial, doesn't like people, he doesn't like dogs. But once he sees one person over maybe a good 3 days straight, he's friends with them. But when it comes to dogs, he just doesn't like dogs. But besides that was him. He always, anytime I'm talking, he has to come, because he has anxiety, so he needs to be with somebody like all the time. So if you guys did buy a pandemic puppy, I know I feel your pain. It's tough, but we're gonna get through this. I'm gonna start getting him trained again, and then yeah. But anyways, the shirts, sick. The Carhartt, I mean, it was a little excessive. Carhartt's an expensive brand, but I always love the Carhartt material. This is why I wanted to make my own shirt for my own use to wear. So I made a Carhartt one, so I was like, I'm just gonna buy that. So I think from now I'm either gonna buy Carhartts, or if I'm doing one-of-ones, I'm gonna buy Carhartt or very expensive blank t-shirt so I can use for myself, because I personally like it. Because yes, you can go and buy the cheaper brands right now and do it, but I want to see how I like it, and maybe I'll get better material when it comes to actually producing a bunch. That's for the future to hold. I don't really care. Right here, we're just doing DIYs and rug making and all kinds of hat collecting and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the hat collection that was in the mid video with the shirts. And I hope you guys did watch our rug video, our very first rug, which was the Bad Bunny rug that is for sale still on Instagram. Go hit it up down below. And if you guys watched the video to why we switch our content, I hope you guys do watch those videos. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you are new, don't forget. hit the subscribe if you're new. Also, go ahead and follow us in our social media links down in the description below. We got our TikTok, we got our Instagram, we got our Twitter, we got our business email. If any business inquiries are interested, hit up the business email down below. That'll get straight to me, and I will contact you if I am interested in a business with you or an ad with you. Would depend on the case. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Like I said again, have your guys selves a beautiful day. Stay safe. I'm not gonna say go get the vaccines and all that because I don't even have it yet. I'm being fake. It's not that I don't want to. I just haven't done it. But don't be dumb and don't be going to Adrian's kickback. Just don't do any of that. Just stay safe. Stay home. We're almost there. It's almost there. The final stretch. You guys can do it. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye.